Okay, hi. So we're just gonna pick up where we left off. He's finished with the windows, the window frames that go in those little squares. So we're moving right along quickly to the insulation of the ceiling in the loft, and I want you to talk to Jeff for a second. I have to go under this yellow safety line. This is the, what's that called, scaffolding that he built to enable him to deal with this, because you might remember we're that far down from the ground. Whoa, Jeff, that hurts my ears. I hope you're wearing ear protection when you're doing this. So, are you going to tell us how you're...
This just goes in like this afterwards.
Jeff?
Hold it in place.
He's referring to this. Why? Just, you guys, to give you a sense of what, gotta be careful walking backwards around here, sense of what the place is going to be like. Imagine those are all windows. Remember, we're on a deck. That's downstairs. And this is Jeff's fabulous new, one of those called staging. And he's going to demonstrate. Are you going to demonstrate?
Well, how I've been putting in these frames.
The framing?
Windows.
Okay.
These cross pieces, like this.
Right.
So I built a jig, worked like this. These are all knocked down, 11.5 inches. And I just clamp these in here.
Okay.
And the reason for that is now I can do this.
Awesome. And that's it. 9 out of 9.
Now I only need to put in 6 more nails.
6 more nails.
2, 2, 2, 2.
Okay. Wow. Thanks. Thanks for the lesson.
There you go.
Framing a window. Woke up this morning to the crackling fire. You might wonder why I'm so calm with my house on fire. I'll show you.